Do you want to go on vacation to Georgia? You can afford it with Holiday Group Georgia. What is needed for this? Finding us is easy job. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. In short, we are everywhere. The main thing is let us know what you are looking for. We have wide variety of holiday places. You can book a cottage, villa, house, or hotel with us. Our 9 years of experience allow us to offer you additional services. Contact information you can see on the screen. You can find us on WhatsApp, Viber, and Telegram.